Hello friends, this is your Physics Sita Ma'am. In today's series, Electrostatics Day 2. First question. A charge Q is divided into two parts of plus Q and minus Q. If the Coulomb repulsion between them when they are separated is to be maximum, what is the ratio of Q by Q should be? Okay, so we'll just consider distance between the two charges is x. Okay, it's a distance between two charges. So what is the force between them then? Force between them is, we know the formula from the Coulomb's force, that is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Here I'm going to take that Q into Q minus Q because separated to be a maximum it mentioned, right, which is divided by x square. Two parts of Q and minus Q. So we are taking Q1, Q2 is Q1 is Q, Q2 is Q minus Q by x square. If x is a constant, so for maximum force, Q and Q minus Q should be maximum, right? Then what about d by dq? D by dq can be taken as Q into Q minus Q, which is everything is equals to 0. That means Q, this capital Q minus 2Q, which is equals to 0. That means capital Q, they are asking in the question the ratio of capital Q by small q should be. So capital Q by small q, which is equals to 2. Check DS whether you have any 2 here. Yeah, in A option we have 2. This is the right answer. So first read the question. A charge Q is divided into two parts of Q plus Q and minus Q. If the Coulomb repulsion between them when they are separated is to be maximum, the ratio of Q by capital Q by small q should be what? That only we are finding here. So let distance two charges, that is x. Force between them is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. That formula only we are taking here. Q into Q minus Q by x square. So for maximum force, Q into Q minus Q should be maximum, right? So what is about d by dq? D by dq into Q minus Q, which is equals to 0. So Q minus 2Q, when we substitute this, which is Q minus 2Q is equals to 0, which gives Q by Q is equals to 2. So this is the answer for this. Now, second question. Two positive ions, each carrying a charge Q, are separated by a distance d. If F is the force of repulsion between the ions, the number of electrons missing from each ion will be E is being the charge on an electron. So what they are asking in this question, they are asking to find what is the force. If force of the repulsion between the ions, the number of missing electrons, that means, number of electrons they are asking. What is it? Small n from the force. So we know the formula, that is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Here the distance is mentioned as d. So we'll just take it as d square, right? So where we know Q related means Q is equals to NE. So if Q is equals to NE means how you will substitute the formula with this? We'll be having that F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2. Just taking it as NE means Q1 Q2 will be having N square E square by D square. What is N from this? N can be taken as root of 4 pi epsilon naught phi f d square by E square. When you cross multiply, you will be having that N is equals to root of 4 pi epsilon naught f d square by E square. So check it here where we have, this is 4 pi epsilon naught f d square into E square by E. That is C option is correct. I hope you all understood this, right? So just this is n square. We'll be having n square which is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught f d square by E square. So when you take this n square can be taken as n equal to root of. So we'll be having this C option. Please check it, yes. I hope you all understood this. Thank you.